Your Gmail is not just sending emails. It is also feeding data into AI tools that power Google's smart features. And the default settings decide how much of that actually happens. In most cases, these settings are enabled by default because they are designed for convenience. In this video, I will show you exactly what is being used, where to find these settings, and what changes if you adjust them. Let us start with the first setting. Smart features and personalization in Gmail. To find it, open Gmail on your computer, click the gear icon in the top right. Then click See All Settings and stay on the General tab. Scroll down until you see Smart Features and Personalization. This setting allows Gmail to use your email content and activity to personalize your experience across Google Workspace apps. Workspace includes apps like Gmail, Drive, Meet, Calendar, and more. What this actually means is that your emails can be used to power features like Smart Compose, suggested replies, email summaries, and smarter search results. It can also show things like flight details or events from your emails directly inside your calendar. And if you use AI features, it can help generate drafts, summarize emails, or find key information faster. So the benefit is clear. Everything feels faster, smarter, and more personalized. But the trade-off is also clear. Your email content is being analyzed to enable those features. If you prefer privacy over convenience, this is a setting you can turn off. Now, let us move to the second setting. And this is where things expand beyond Gmail. Right below it, you will find smart features and other Google products. This setting allows Google to use your workspace, content, and activity to personalize your experience across other Google products. That includes things like Maps, Wallet, Assistant, and even the Gemini app. For example, restaurant reservations or orders can appear in Maps. Tickets or passes can show up in Wallet. Reminders and answers can appear in Assistant. And suggestions can appear in AI tools. The benefit is a fully connected experience. Everything works together automatically without you doing anything. But the trade-off is that your email data is not just staying inside Gmail. It is being used across multiple Google services. If you prefer to keep your data more contained, this is a setting you can turn off. Now, one more important layer. Especially if you use AI features inside Gmail. Go to your Google Activity page and look for Gemini Apps Activity. This controls whether your interactions with AI features like summaries, drafts, and prompts are stored to improve the system over time. This is part of how Google improves AI performance and accuracy. So the benefit is better and more helpful AI responses over time. But the trade-off is that your interactions may be stored and reviewed for improvement purposes. If you prefer not to have that activity saved, you can turn this off as well. So overall, Gmail is designed to be helpful. That is why these settings are enabled by default. They are designed for convenience, not privacy first. But the good news is, you are not locked in. You can decide what level of personalization you want, and how much data sharing you are comfortable with. Now at least, you understand what is happening behind the scenes. And that is what most people miss. If you want more simple, clear tech breakdowns like this, follow #Tech Solution. Stay informed. Stay in control. I will see you in the next one.